In this video, I will explain how you can use vlookup function in Google Sheets. And a similar function exists in Microsoft Excel as well. So if you understand vlookup here, you can use the similar concept in Microsoft Excel as well. So with vlookup, what happens is that vertical lookup is done. That means we specify the value in the first column, and then the Google Sheet is gonna scan the records vertically. So let us say I want to get details for this record, okay, where the value in the first column is 5. So what I can do is that I can write something like this: vlookup 5. 5 means I'm interested in the record for the employee ID 5. Then this is the range. This is basically our data. The next parameter is for that record, which column you want to extract. Okay, so in the table there can be like lots of columns numbered from 1 to 3 like that. So you have to give that column number. So if you want to extract the employee name, you will have to put 2 there. If you want to extract employee phone, you will have to put 3 there. And final parameter is also very important. Here we have to specify false. That means these records are not sorted by employee ID or the first column. So it is important that you put false unless your list is sorted. If your list is sorted, then you can ignore this particular parameter, or by default it is true. So here what is happening is that it is finding the record where employee ID is 5 and then returning its name, because we have put 2 over there, second column, Henry. But if I put 3 here, what will happen? It will return employee phone. You can see 48729. Now let us say you want to find out the details for the employee ID 443. So here you can put 443 because that is the record we are interested in. And let us say I want to get the name of that particular employee. So I can put 2 over there and then hit enter. So for 443, the employee name is Matt. So Matt should be returned. And you can see it has returned the Matt. So that's how the vlookup works. It is said vlookup because the initial record that is scanned is using vertical approach. Okay, in the first column it goes and then tries to find this value. Whenever it finds, it stops there, and then based upon this column number it will return the value specific to that particular record. Thank you for watching.